This is why you should be afraid of the Hurricane Milton. First, storm surge. Danger. Storm surges can reach up to 20 feet high, flooding entire coastal communities. This is one of the deadliest aspects of hurricanes, responsible for many fatalities during these storms. Second, wind speeds and destruction. Hurricanes hitting Florida often reach Category 4 or 5, with wind speeds of over 150 miles per hour. These winds can destroy homes, uproot trees, and turn debris into deadly projectiles. Third, tornado outbreaks. Hurricanes can spawn tornadoes, adding another layer of destruction. Florida's flat terrain makes it more susceptible to these violent whirlwinds, which can strike with little warning during a hurricane. Make sure you're prepared and safe. Please evacuate if you're living in a region that's going to be hit by Milton.